Hi everyone and welcome to our Friday Assembly. It's good to see you all in your classrooms. Sorry we can't be in the hall together, but I'm filming our assembly today from our Innovation Hub. You can see the sound shed just behind me here. You can see our pod chairs and lighting for the green screen. And I know lots of things have been taking place in the Innovation Hub this week. Lots of classes have been using it, been filming and recording, lots of digital literacy. So it's been great to see our new Innovation Hub busy this week. So lots more to come too. I know Mr. Croxton's got lots planned as we approach Christmas. So lots and lots to come from our Innovation Hub. I'm now going to pass over to our class teachers to find out who our stars of the week are this week and who have really stood out and showing our school values and been truly remarkable. So over to our teachers.
Good morning, everyone. My child of the week this week is Amara, and I've chosen Amara because she has blown me away in the last few weeks. She wrote an amazing flashback story for a topic book, and during our weekly tests, she's slowly but surely improving her scores. And I just wanted to say, well done, Amara. Keep it up, and I know you're going to be really successful this year. Bye.
This week we have chosen Theo to be our child of the week. This is because he has made so much progress and me and Miss Evans are so proud of him. He now joins in and makes the right choices. Keep it up.
My child of the week is Isaiah. Isaiah, I have chosen you this week because you are making excellent progress with your writing and your maths. You are super independent and every time you come and show me your work, it is just fantastic. Me and Mrs. Brinley are so proud. Keep up this super work. Well done.
3MC's Child of the Week this week is Zane. I've chosen you, Zane, because you are remarkable. I'm really proud of how well you have applied yourself in your English lessons, especially when we've been doing persuasive writing. You've included everything that I've asked for and you've applied those skills to your topic work too. So well done, Zane, keep up the amazing work.
My child of the week is Amelia. I was absolutely blown away by her independent writing on Monday. Fantastic. Finger spaces, capital letters and using your phonemes. Well done, Amelia.
Morning everyone, my child of the week this week is Amina. It's a big pleasure to give Amina this because she's been working so incredibly hard. Her resilience, particularly in math, has been awesome. She's been putting her hand up a lot more and has been doing really well with all her questions. So keep progressing, keep working hard, it's really paying off. Well done.
My child of the week this week goes to Kenzie. You've been off school for a little while and all of your friends in nursery have really missed you. That's because you're so helpful and so respectful to everyone in nursery. Keep being amazing, Kenzie.
My child of the week this week is Ericus. Ericus, you have tried really hard, especially with phonics. I'm really impressed with your reading and how you're reading all your words, you're segmenting and blending, and you're even having a go at writing them. Well done, Ericus, keep it up.
My child of the week this week is Kai. Kai, I have chosen you this week for my child of the week because you have been wowing me in your maths lessons. You have been adding and subtracting independently and you have been bridging the tens. Your chips and peas have been fantastic. Keep up the hard work.
My child of the week this week is Leah. Leah always tries her very best with everything she does in class and has been producing some lovely work for her character curriculum, passport, and sending lots of photos and examples into school. Well done, Leah.
This week, I have decided to pick Amy as my remarkable child of the week. Amy, you have had an incredible week. You have made excellent progress in all your subjects and you've been pushing your limits every single day. I'm particularly impressed with your rounding skills in maths. So keep up the good work. Thank you for all your help in the classroom and have a lovely weekend.
My child of the week this week is Almia. Almia, you really impressed me with your English this week. You used sentence starters and I enjoyed reading your letter of complaint to Mr. Clark. Also, you worked really hard with your maths and your rounding and estimation. So well done, you deserve to be my child of the week.
Good morning. My child of the week this week is Aidan. Aidan, I've chosen you because you've made remarkable progress since starting in Year 5. I'm really proud of you. And today, I noticed how good you were at Spanish. I was really impressed. Keep up the great work. Well done.
Hashim, you are the star of the week in the EAL Hub because you are remarkable at pushing your limits. No matter how challenging the task, you always complete it independently because you follow the instructions and ask if you are not sure. Keep up the hard work, superstar. See you soon. Bye.
Hello everyone, my child of the week this week is Darcy. Darcy is one of our big-hearted members of 3MA. She's always pushing her limits, but more importantly, she is super resilient. Even if she finds something really tricky and really challenging, and even if I've put lots of pink highlighting in her book, she still powers on, she's got the right positive attitude, and she then also looks to help improve other people's work, and she's always so positive. So well done, Darcy, you're really a breath of fresh air for our class.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Zalea. She's worked really hard and she's even laughed at some of my jokes. Her work in her books, especially in maths and English, is absolutely amazing. Same as her topic work. So keep up the great work, Zalea, well done.
Our star of the week this week in 1KR is James, and we've chosen James because he's worked so hard. He's trying really hard with his writing and he's listening to everything that we're asking him to do. So well done, James, you really are pushing your limits. Keep it up.
My star of the week is Amanda. Amanda, you've been working really well in all subjects, but especially science. You've really pushed your limits and discovered what's possible by working independently. Your sciences work has been absolutely fantastic. Well done, Amanda.
And now it's that time of the week to find out who our reader of the week is. And our lucky reader of the week gets to come to our vending machine, which is right behind me here. And they get a token and they get to choose a book that they get to keep. And that's a reward for their superb reading throughout this week. So our reader of the week this week goes to a member of 5MW, and that is Adele Hilton. So well done, Adele Hilton. You are this week's token winner, and you get a token for the reading vending machine. Well done. And if it's not you this week, it could be you next week. So keep on reading, lots of reading at home, completing your diaries, doing well in your star reader tests on your accelerated reader, lots of reading within class, visiting the library and getting new books. So lots of opportunities to be reader of the week. So good luck to you all next week if it wasn't you this week. And Adele, I'll be coming with the token for you right now.
I'm gonna send a blood, gonna drown a mind.